Dog training and the importance of patience. It can be frustrating when you're trying to train your dog and he doesn't understand something simple, like sit or come. You probably feel like you're not making progress fast enough, and you're starting to get frustrated. You probably want to give up and just let your dog learn what he wants. But, you need to be patient. One of the most important skills you can develop as a dog trainer is patience. It's critical to the success of any dog training program, but especially for first-time dog owners. If you're a human and you try to train a dog without being patient, you're going to get frustrated, and your dog is going to learn to ignore you. But if you're a dog and you try to train a human without being patient, you're going to get frustrated, and your human is going to learn nothing. Teaching your dog to listen to you isn't easy, but it's a crucial part of being a successful dog owner. In this series, we're going to be taking a closer look at some of the most important commands for dog training, and the best ways to train your dog when you need them. One of the most important commands for dog training is patience. When you're first starting out training your dog, you're going to want to make every effort to teach them every single command as soon as possible. When it comes to training your dog, you want to give your best effort. After all, it takes time and patience to train a dog. But when you're first starting out, you may find yourself rushing through training sessions. This is especially true if you're trying to train your dog to do something difficult, like sit when you call him. There are a lot of small things that can seem like a big deal when you're first starting out. Patience is required to train your dog, and to work with your dog when he's being difficult. But with patience and a steady hand, you can train your dog to do and be anything you want him to.